Good afternoon. So this is today's layout plan. This plot of about 30.38 meter by 30 meter plot. Total plot is there, in which the covered area is you can see here 17.8 meter by 19 meter. So this is a main road. The three sides is existing neighbors are already there. So this is a little private house for a client, in which he just need only ground floor and with two bedrooms. So here you can see this is a main road, so entrance from here. He cared too much about privacy that he want the main door on the side, not on the front side. So you can see entrance from here. If we go inside the entrance lobby, and this is a small store, and here is a majlis or living area, dining here, and kitchen, small internal kitchen will be here, and it's a bathroom and the wash basin area for the guests or people staying in the hall. In center area, this is a small courtyard which is open to sky with some plantation greenery inside. And here you can see a private sitting area for the family or the owner. This will the personal bedroom for this owner, and a dressing room with a spacious bathroom. And here you can see it have been provided as a glass in the slab, so that natural light will enter into the bathroom and dressing room. It is a pretty good idea. It will give you very good looking, like you are sitting outside and open with the sunlight and everything. In the same way, in the side we can say guest bedroom with dressing room and bathroom. In here in both rooms it's been provided the natural sunlight. On the outside, this is a complete green area. From the personal bedroom, there is a small platform where you can sit and have a view of the green area. This is a small stones will be there on the passage. This grey color will be the interlocks. Around the passage, 1 meter is given for the interlocks. Then there is a water feature. Then again green area, and this again interlocks to pass through from here and there. So this is the main layout for this house. So you can see the dimensions are already mentioned here. So you can draw it accordingly. So this is the 2D plan, because yesterday's in a video some of the viewers asked me for the elevation and something to show. So I will show you the elevation for this one. So you can see this will be the 2D 3D elevation for the house. It's created in the SketchUp. So I didn't trace a boundary wall upside. So from here we will enter the villa, our house. This water feature, the passage area, green area, this passage area also you can see, and from here you can see the this courtyard inside with green tree inside, and here you can see this glass for this natural ventilation in the house. So what I will do, I will show from inside. With the move command, I will move this slab outside. So now you can see from here, this was the store, wash basin, hand wash area, bathroom, and this is a sitting area with small window here to view this area, and this window for outside view, and here two windows to view this courtyard, and this corner will be the kitchen. And as shown in the layout plan, you can see small personal sitting area, bedroom, dressing room, bathroom, and main guest bedroom. Here's other things as I show in everything in the 2D layout plan in AutoCAD. So you can see from the top view that this how it will be look like, this house. It's a very simple and delicate house for someone personal, single family, or if you want to make outhouse like this one. It depends upon the requirements of the clients, that how what they want. Now you can see this one. So now what I will do, I will put back this slab over here. Select it, move it from corner to corner. So you can see this is the front elevation and entrance of the house, with the side elevation, two bathroom windows and the main window for the bedroom. Here's living area with big window, and this entrance for the kitchen. This will be the kitchen over here, and this elevation you can see one window is there for the living area. So that's all for this layout plan. I hope you will like this plan. Please, if you like this plan, give us comments, and your comments are highly appreciated. Maybe I can improve the layout plan as per your comments if you give a good suggestion. So inshallah, see you in the next video.